All right, y'all. I hope everyone is doing all right. What we're going to do is we're going to begin our 3 day project. You're going to be working on this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, what you're going to do is after I give you the guys the directions, you want to basically kind of spread out your work amongst those 3 days. Each day, you'll be turning in a update on where you are with your drawing. And here are the directions here. So the name of the project is going to be called Shattered Value. And simply what we're going to be doing is we're going to split our sheet into multiple different sections and adding value inside of each section. You have to divide your sheet into a minimum of 20 sections. So you will have a minimum of 20 different sections on your paper, and it'll make a little bit more sense now. So you will need a white sheet of paper. You will fill up the entire sheet of paper. Okay. So whenever you do your artwork, it will fill the entire sheet of paper, like how this example is here. Okay. So in this example, you can see that they did a lighthouse drawing with the sun and sun rays and things like that. If you want to be ambitious and you want to do that, please try your best and be creative and do that. If you are not able to do that, here's an example of how to start getting your sheet broken up. So if you look here, this is an example. Imagine this is a full sheet of paper. It will not be this small. Yours will fill up the entire sheet. Like I said, you want to take your entire sheet, and split it up into different random sections. As you see, they drew a heart in the middle of theirs. You can draw a heart, you can draw a shape, you can draw a picture, or you can just draw a random, as long as you have 20 different little sections like these right here, 20 different sections, little divided little parts. You need to have a minimum of those. No matter how you do that, I do not care how you do it. If you want to be creative and make it funky, then do that. All right. So once you get your page split up like this, and again, if you're going to be doing any straight lines, please use a ruler or a straight edge or something that you can use to trace to make a straight line. If you're doing circles, please find something to trace as best as you can, so that way everything can be neat. You are going to be graded on your craftsmanship, which is how neat you do things. So you're going to separate your sheet into these different sections. Once you do that, you're going to begin adding value into each little section. So once you add value into each one of them, you want it to go in different directions. So if you see how it started off dark here and went light going towards this way, the one next to it is dark and it's going the opposite way. And you want to continue that trend until you fill up the entire sheet. So you see that next one, they're going dark to light. And here they are closer to getting the whole thing filled up. So it's just in different directions. They're adding the value. So that way they don't end up being dark here next to each other. Okay. So by doing it in the value coming from different directions, it'll help separate each of those sections. They won't look the same. All right. So as you see, she's still going. And then now she has the entire thing filled in. The value is going in different directions. So that way they are not touching each other. Here is the example of the one with the sun rays. And it's the same exact idea. It's still different sections. And all you're going to be doing is adding in that value into each one of them. Make sure you're trying your best with your value, being as neat as possible. And good luck. Please contact me if you have any questions.